it, me call it curvy. Man nowadays love the extra meat on the plate, you hear me? Stop calling me fat, all right? Me curvy, deliciously, unapologetically curvy. This is premium pork bill, straight from nature, no tweaks. Every inch of my body is designed for greatness. Strong legs for digging, round belly for storing the good stuff. And a backside that make even the rooster stop and stare. Me no see you since Farmer Joe dropped the new feed. You're still looking round as ever. Clock soon as me see you on the scene. That the best pickup line you got? Man always want a little cushion for the pushing. Trust me through that. Oh, and yet you're still there chatting with me.
All right, I'll give you one chance.